Welcome to Baumer HHS tutorials how to set up the LNT 300. To be able to control the adhesive application 100%, an optimal setup of the microwave sensor LNT 300 is required. Now we will show you how easy that is. To set up the LNT 300, release the holder of the sensor. Adjust the sensor. The top surface of the product has to touch the upper product guide of the sensor. The sensor has to be mounted cross to the direction of production. Position the guide bar over the gluing area. Fix the sensor at this position. How you set tolerance range in Xtend 3. Perform a programming cycle. Let one product run through the machine. The product length and the amount of adhesive will be determined. Return to Xtend 3. Configure the tolerance range. Recommended is 10 to 15% outside the sensor signal. Save your settings. You have now successfully finished the LNT 300 setup. Start your production with 100% quality control. For more tutorials, check out our tutorials playlist on the Baumer HHS GlueTube channel. See you next time.